Assalamualaikum. My name is Mehreen Fatima Momin and I live in Calgary, Canada. It is highly recommended by Alberta Health Services for children to stay home and stay away, social distancing, face masks. Unfortunately, we cannot go to Sinia because of this. My family decided we could stay home and do majlises, make a small azakhana. We practice salam, what salam we will recite in our majlis, what noha. We do these majlises in our living room. We put farsh azar and then we cover a pillow with a black blanket and then we cover the background with some black scarf. First, we start with Hadith Kisa and Dua Tawassul, and on Fridays with Dua Nudba. May Allah accept our ibadat and Azadaari.
घबरा